Hello everyone, this is Shraddha from Our Education with 5 such updates which are going to help you in your competitive exam. First one is Bharat Biotech ICMR developed Covaxin is safe. The preliminary results of Bharat Biotech ICMR developed coronavirus vaccine named Covaxin shows that vaccine is safe. The vaccine is currently under phase 1 clinical trials. The results were shared by the principal investigators who have been involved in the trials. The vaccine has been tested on 375 volunteers so far. Second, Indian Navy to immediately procure 10 ship-based drones. Indian Navy has proposed to immediately procure 10 ship-based drones to help keep a close eye on the activities of opponent countries. The procurement is expected to boost the surveillance capabilities of the Indian Navy against the enemies operating in Indian Ocean region. The proposal has been sent to the Defense Ministry. Israel and UAE peace agreement. Israel to suspend West Bank annexation. US President Donald Trump has helped Israel and the United Arab Emirates to sign the historic peace agreement on August 13, 2020 to normalize the diplomatic relations between both the countries. The joint statement regarding this was released by President Donald Trump, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed, Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, and Israel Prime Benjamin Netanyahu. Third, Sports Ministry organizes Fit India Freedom Run during 15 August to 2nd October. Union Sports Ministry will be organizing the Fit India Freedom Movement run from 15th August to 2nd October 2020. The largest countrywide run was launched by Sport Minister Kiran Rijiju. In order to ensure social distancing amid the pandemic situation, people have been advised to run at their own pace time anywhere. Prashant Bhushan held guilty by Supreme Court for contempt of court. The Supreme Court has held senior advocate Prashant Bhushan guilty of contempt of court for his Twitter post aired against the judiciary of the CJI. Bhushan has been found guilty for 2 of his suits. The apex court will pronounce the sentence of 20th August. For more such updates and knowledge, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video.